Alright, this is a rather recent paper that was put out by the Spain group over in Madrid. And so it's Guillermo Velasco, Cristina Sanchez, and Manuel Guzman. It's current Oncology, 2016. If I haven't mentioned that already, you can see the keywords: cannabinoids, apoptosis, autophagy, cell proliferation, angiogenesis, cell signaling, combination therapy. So these were found all throughout there concerning cannabinoids and their anti-cancer mechanisms. I'm going to leave this here, that way y'all can kind of just take a big screenshot right there and be able to share that. That way you can see that and review it later, read it for yourself. And I'm going to zoom back out. This is where I showed y'all a moment ago, or in the last video, how the cell signaling, or not the signaling, but how the cannabinoids, once they're attached to the outside of the cancer cell, operate within the cancer cell, the cascade of chemical reactions that take place after the activation of the CB1 receptor. So they have these two different ones here. I'm going to let you take a screenshot. All of these down here are descriptions of what's up here. Now, you can show this to a molecular biologist or molecular chemist, or biochemist, yes. You can show it to a biochemist or any of the ones before that too, and they'll be able to help you read through some of that stuff. That's how I have to do it. So these are a couple of quotes, the most important ones that I wanted to take from that document. Cannabinoids induce tumor cell death and inhibit tumor angiogenesis and invasion in animal models of cancer. And there are indications that they may act similarly in patients with glioblastoma. So a lot of this group, the Spain group, and most any group that's researching cancer and cannabinoids, it's all based around the gliomas, so the brain cancers. Because we've seen a lot of success in that, and also it's one of the fastest growing cancers, so we can see how quickly it works compared to a slow growing tumor. But these guys, I'll show another patent here. They have a patent with GW Pharmaceuticals, who owns Epidiolex, who Texas uses that medication from them. That they have a patent that extends into lung, breast, brain, colon, skin, lymphoma, any type of, I already said skin, so yeah. All those different types of cancers are listed in one patent, and that patent was written up by the same exact crew of people. So just know that there are already gotten patents out there that are bought or held by commercial companies, like, actual private companies. So this is really where it's all at. Every single study you'll read on cannabinoids and cancer, this is always the end of what they say. Given that cannabinoids show an acceptable safety profile, clinical trials testing them as single drugs or ideally in combination therapies in glioblastoma and other types of cancers are both warranted and urgently needed. So this whole idea of it's safe and we need clinical trials and we need them now is at the end of pretty much every single document that I have found, or any kind of study thing that I have found concerning cannabis and cancer. It's time to get the clinical studies done now. We have enough research up to now, and that's what they're saying right here. We have a safety profile, we know how it operates in animal models, so let's start doing it in humans and see what happens. So that's the anti-cancer mechanisms of cannabinoids. And, yep, keep watching. Got more to come.